Hi friends, welcome to Saral Trader. Today we are going to look at some of the items, some of the stocks which are considered momentum stocks and are smaller ticker values. So first thing that I wanted to discuss was SOFI. So SOFI is a stock which is part of the Chamath portfolio, and earlier it was trading at a very high valuations, price of around 2025. Also it went up, and currently it is in a constant downtrend and is beaten down and currently trading at around 545. It did make a low of 477 as well recently. And recently, as market is moving up, it is showing some signs, and we wanted to see if there is a trading opportunity. Of course, everything is a buy or sell as per Saral system at any given point of time. Let's see what is SOFI doing. So SOFI on a daily chart gave a buy signal on Saral 2, and also our custom indicator has turned green on this particular candle. And after this big move which came up, it was trading at around 483 and it's currently at 560. So almost 25% it has already moved. Now it's consolidating here, and the custom indicator is green. If you see the awesome indicator is also turning green here, and our custom indicator 2 is also trading below the custom indicator which is turned green. And so primarily this looks like a buying opportunity. I will be looking for a trade here, primarily more from the perspective of a swing. Maybe I will use options. I will buy probably 6 and sell 5, to fund this trade, and let's see what it goes. This is high momentum stocks. These are risky stocks, so you should be careful. If you look at on the shorter time frame, again, this one looks like a momentum new swing might start. Now the stop loss for this trade will be ideally will be close below 490, and the targets probably will be in the range of around 6.5. Well, let's look at another trade which I'm already in, called TAST. This is I got stuck in this company. Primarily, I bought it for a swing, and then I got stuck, and I'm still holding this. This is a stock in the area of fast food, quick service restaurants. It is one of the biggest franchisees of Burger King and also has Popeye stores. Now this is completely in a downtrend for last 1 year or so. I traded this earlier also when it was trading around 5 or 6 or 7. Now it is pretty much in deep red in terms of its downtrend. What is we are looking at is purely a technical play swing move. So this particular price action here signaled that the reversal of this downtrend is over. Reversal is begun, and then it went up, couldn't stay below above the T line, came down, and it has been taking support and is again trying to move up. And Saral 2 system has given a buy. Custom indicator is also green, and it's kind of consolidating now. There will be some consolidation. It is giving results on 9th. So I have added to my position here, and I am expecting a swing move. These are penny stocks, so they move very fast. They move down very fast as well. So I will take a position in cash here. I've taken a position. I'm thinking of adding more, and let's see how it goes. On the shorter time frame, also, if you see price action shows, we may see some retracement downwards and then a move. Its results are also nice, so be careful about it. Right now, it is looking at bullish. Let's look at another trade, Zumia. This is a e-commerce company from Africa, and it was pumped and dumped big time by some large banks or institutions earlier. It traded, if you look at the weekly charts, at one point of time it traded at 69.70, and since then, they have completely the big funds have completely downloaded, or I mean sold off the entire stake in the company, and the stock is currently languishing at almost lifetime lows. It is at $5 now, and this is the swing low it made, 447, and It made a up move when there was a move in the S&P 500 around June, July, August time frame, July, August. It is almost at the same price now, and it's showing some signs. It has not been able to cross above the T line. And if you see the shorter time frame, we have a sell signal here. So I will actually wait. I got into it at this point, so I have to exit that position now. And with a stop loss of a close below a 467, we can look for a trade when it crosses above this level. I don't know much about. I mean, this is a volatile stock, but on the daily charts, it has given a buy on Saral 2. The custom indicator which we have is in red, so there is no trade. Wait for it to turn green. I will wait for it to turn green, and then I will probably take a trade. Let's see what is the Brazilian airline GOL is doing. No trade here. The custom indicator has turned green. There is a very big volatility event in Brazil about elections. I think they are going for elections tomorrow. This is the second round, so there will be a lot of volatility in this. But looking at this price structure, it looks like there might be a long trade building up here. But we'll wait. We'll wait for this. Let's see another stock, which is another Chamath portfolio stock, Clover. Now, Clover is purely, I don't, it's some insurance, some healthcare provider insurance company. Now, it has been in a downtrend. It traded very high to 2021. It was trading very much. It gives pretty big swings, swings like this swing from 268 to 356. It was a big 20-25% swing. So that kind of swings it gives. So it's a speculative stock. Like all the stocks we are discussing today are speculative in nature only. But this one looks like it might be building up a new swing move. The custom indicator is not green, it's red. So we should wait, or wait for it, and then the stop loss for this trade will be a close below 137. So that is what we will see. Any other stock which is more speculative? I think these are these are the few that I am tracking. Then we have Vroom, which is a penny stock now. It is primarily a company into used car sales, competes with CarMax and others. Now this company, this is also, I don't think there is any trade building up here right now. I will avoid this. Then we can look at Carvana. Now see, these companies typically will have big moves like this move here. From 28, 29, it went up to 58, almost 100% move in few days. It gave, almost a month, and then they fizzle out, and they again the distribution starts. So there is no trade here on the daily chart, and if you look at the shorter time frame, there is no trade here as well. For now, things can change anytime, in these companies. Now, well, if you look at what we can look at Wayfair, another e-commerce retail company which went up to dizzying heights, traded at 298 at one point of time, and today it is at 36. So there is a trade building up here on the Saral 2 system. I think we have turned green here. If you look the indicator, my custom indicator, if it is not green, I don't take a trade. This is turning green, and setup looks good. I mean, you can definitely, I think I might like to take a trade here. Other one is Overstock, another darling, e-commerce darling, completely into a distribution model right now. No trade here, no trade here. Let's look at American Eagle. Yeah, American Eagle. American Eagle company. Yeah, this one looks like there is a trade opportunity. I will avoid this one as well. I'm not looking at this. I was stuck in this company earlier. Deutsche Bank. I mean, it's not a penny stock, it's a big company, but its price is pretty low, less than $10. So I traded this from here to here already. I exited on, and I will look for a re-entry opportunity if there is a retracement. That may happen, that may not happen. Let's look at. So these are some of the stocks that I am going to trade. Looking at, and then we can look at sleep number, SNBR. Sleep number, bad results, not doing anything, but it's a very low price. So on the shorter time frame, what it is doing, let's see. Yeah, it's basically wait for, I will win. There's no trade here right now. There's no trade here. Let's look at the some of the banks that I keep looking at in the region of Latin America. So this is primarily not a penny stock. This is Banco Colombia. This is the Banco Colombia. It's a bank in Colombia. It was trading at 46 and now it is down. And these stocks also swing up very very fast. So 29 it went up to 33. Is there a trade building up? Yes, the indicator has turned green. And let's see, we have another, yes. So with a stop loss of below 24, a close below 24, please note, close below 24, I will go long in this, and I will plan. I may or may not take trade, but this is what I will think of doing. I don't know much about the fundamentals here, but looks like there will be a move coming in. Yeah, idly a close. I think this price action is definitely supporting bulls. We'll see. Last time when this thing happened, there was a big move that came up. Let's see what happens. Is there any other penny stock that you want me to cover? Let me know in the description, and you can subscribe to our channel by clicking here. We give daily updates on S&P 500, and our Saral system has beaten the markets um, significantly this year. We have given 21% positive returns till September, and while the market was minus 24, S&P 500. We use futures, so with leverage, the returns are almost much higher. The leverage is 10 times. So the returns are around 200%. So you can look at that and follow us on Twitter, where we give regular updates and charts. And you can take a free trial of our service, alert service, by clicking on the link below. So guys, happy trading. Thanks. Bye bye.